I've seen people at those conferences, they bring a stack of 500 business cards and they're able to pretty much get rid of all of their 500 business cards. Here's what they do. They'll do a couple things. They'll take stacks of 10 and they'll put them on all of the window sills, all of the table ends. They'll put them in the bathroom on the urinal, which is disgusting. And you girls, you probably haven't seen that before. But they put it on top of the urinal. So like, do you want to pick up a business card where people might have peed on it? No. Okay. Do you want to just pick up random business cards of somebody you've never met? No. It seems ridiculous, but they are doing this. And then they're doing what's worse. The second way that they're getting rid of 1,000 or 500 business cards in one conference is they walk up to people and they're like, "Hi, my name is this. I do this, and this, and this. And I have experience with that. And I have experience with that. Do you have a card?" And you're like, I have a card. Yeah. Can I get one? Okay. And so you give this rando who just told you all of what their business does. You're just like handing them a card with a questioning look on your face. You're like, "I'm not exactly sure why you're asking for this card. You don't know shit about me yet. Why are you wanting to get my card?" But it's awkward to actually say to the person directly to their face, "You don't know shit about me. Why do you want my card?" It seems hard for most of us to say that. So what they'll do is they'll be like, "My name is Amanda Swenson. And if your name's Amanda Swenson, I'm sorry in advance. I'm just making up a name. My name is Amanda Swenson. And I've been a podcaster for 7 years, and I help other podcasters get to XYZ without the ABC problems. And by the way, do you have a card?" And I'm like, "Sure, I've got a card." And maybe I'll give this Amanda, this fictitious Amanda that I made up, a business card. And I'm doing it with a questioning look. I'm like, "Why does she want my card? She doesn't know anything about what I'm doing. What is she going to do with my card? Is she going to do a magic trick?" And I'm like handing it to her suspiciously or skeptically. Amanda takes my card and says, "Thanks, I'll call you back. I'll call you this week and I'll follow up with you this week." And I'm like, "But what would you follow up with me about, Amanda? You don't know anything about me." Right. And so what all they're doing is they're giving their elevator pitch and they're asking for a card and they're giving you their card. They're exchanging the card. "Here's mine. You can call me anytime. Can I get yours?" And voila, they've spent, we'll call it 30 seconds. That might be an exaggeration. Maybe they'll spend 10 seconds. Maybe they'll spend 2 minutes, but we'll just pretend that they'll average 30 seconds per person that they give their elevator pitch to and take their card. And so all they're doing, I don't recognize this person. I better give them my card so I can get my podcast out. I can get my business out there. This is a mile wide and an inch deep. Every single person had a surface level conversation with Amanda Swenson this day, but nobody connected with Amanda Swenson. Not one person was grateful for the conversation. Not one person wanted to get elevator pitched to and then have Amanda ask for your business card. And then Amanda runs away and goes and does it to the next person. That is an inch deep at best with 500 people, 1,000 people, because their sole goal is, if I get rid of cards, if I get cards, I will be successful in my business.